Is it too much? Is it too much glare over here? If not, I'm gonna put this down, so let me know. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I haven't made a video in a week, it's been a while. I have another very exciting video for you guys. I did promise I'd have a install kind of video in the last video. I just said video too many times and it sounds weird now. I got more stuff from Wish.com. This has become like a habit now of just looking up parts on Wish.com, and like, not like parts isn't like, you know, not the important stuff, just some cheap stuff because it's really cheap. I got 3 things this time. These all cost me like 30 bucks I think, which is pretty cheap. So one of the first things I got is this. This is apparently 5D carbon fiber wrap. It's really cheap. It's not real wrap. It's like, it's cheap. It's very, I feel like this is just like carbon fiber stickers that you can get from AutoZone, but it's cheaper than AutoZone. So I don't know how, you know, how well this is gonna be, but we'll find out. It's not the best quality. I'll wrap something with this. This other thing I got, this one I ordered wrong actually, so I don't know if we'll put this on. That's tint. This I got for the headlights. There was a yellow one, so I thought I would get that and just try it out. Like I didn't think I was gonna keep it on anyways, but I just got it and it came in black, and apparently I ordered black. And yeah, this is just, it's literally just black tint. It's for your headlights, your taillights, wherever you want to put them. I don't know if we'll get to put this on today because I didn't really want this color. I don't think it's gonna look really nice, and I don't want to go through like putting it on and everything. Maybe we will, who knows. And this third thing, this is the thing that I ordered right, and I'm actually really excited about. This is a shift boot. It's Bride. It's not really Bride, but it's Bride. I haven't opened this yet, and I want to see the quality on it. Okay, it's cheap. I mean, it looks good, so can't complain. It's just literally a shift boot with the Bride design on it, like the logo. I like how it looks. I'm gonna put this on, and yeah, I think we'll start with it. If you haven't been able to tell, I've been going very slow with this garage build. I just have a lot going on, and I just really have that light, and that light over there. Nothing much. I'll try to do something tomorrow. I don't know. Just been very slow with this whole garage build. So with this shift boot, as far as I know, all you have to do is take out these panels, and then this pops out. And I think there's like screws at the bottom where I have to like take them out and then put it onto this. This thing doesn't have holes, so I guess we'll have to like poke it through somehow. But yeah, we'll see how that goes. Alright, so this is what we're replacing, and just gonna see. Yep. So there's screws on here, on each one of these sides. There's just these small screws over here on that side. There's some all around, so I'm gonna take those out, and I think this plastic piece comes off, and then this thing should come off as well. And this thing just literally just pops right off, and then this thing comes off. This thing comes off. This is the plastic cover that's really dirty. I should probably clean that out. And as far as this, I feel like this is like sandwich plated, like right here or something. Alright, so what I've done is I just, you know, test fitted everything, put it in. And as far as the holes, there's tabs on here, like this tab right here. I just aligned it and I pushed it through and it pokes through, so that's good. We don't have to deal with making new holes. Well, at least, you know, like, you could just push them through and it goes through. So I'm just gonna make sure this sits right. Like that seems okay. And we're done. Okay, so what I found easier to do was, see there's bigger tabs here, and then there's the smaller ones. Once you do the smaller ones, they keep sliding off and it's a pain. So once you do these big ones, make sure you line them up, all of them like straight, and then just push through, and these smaller ones will eventually go through. And this is just sandwiched between this plate and there's this one. It's just literally like squished in, and I think that's about it. This all should just tuck underneath. This extra fabric should just tuck underneath, and we should be good to go. Alright, so I have everything back on. This is what it looks like. I just gotta put this back into place. I put all the screws on the bottom. So you can cut these extra parts if you wanted to, but I didn't want to deal with that. I just wanted to put it on. These will tuck underneath anyways, and it's not really visible, so who cares? Other than that, unless you're really worried about that, you can, cut them up if you wanted to. And that's it. It looks pretty good. This does come down. It's not bad. But I don't know how well you can tell, but that's what it looks like. It's pretty good. I mean, I'm happy for the most part. So that actually turned out a lot better than I expected. I really like the way it looks. I'm gonna try now go on to the carbon fiber wrap. Alright, so this is the carbon fiber wrap. As far as how much we have. So that's how much we have. That's a lot of carbon fiber wrap. This is very bad material. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna wrap with this are these small little pillars over here. There's one on each side. I'm gonna wrap this one and the other one on that side. I've seen these go for sale, like they're wrapped and they're for sale, so I'm gonna try to quickly take these out and wrap them. And I almost have 0 to like no experience in wrapping, so I just know the surface has to be clean. We put it on and then heat it up. I think that's how it's gonna work. Alright, so these are clipped on and they just have 3 clips. Just pull on it, be careful, and it comes off. This is like scratched up too, so this will, I think, gonna give it a nice touch. Alright, so I cleaned these up really nice. I think they're pretty shiny. Look, you can see yourself. They're clean, good to go. I'm just gonna measure how much I need. Shouldn't be that much, and then I'll cut it out and place it on top. Alright, I told you before I'm not really experienced with this. I literally just cut out a sheet of vinyl. Make sure this is clean. See, I don't know a lot of things, but I know this. Make sure this is clean, because when you wrap it, all the dust and everything that's underneath is just gonna wrap with it, and it'll make bubbles and it'll look disgusting. This is my workbench for now. This is my new trunk that's all messed up and scratched, and it has the F word written on it.
And tell me why you fighting, baby girl. I know exactly how you. Let me roll this, hold up, let me focus on you. Give me one more second and I'll show you what's new with me. I know you really ain't that cool with me, but tell me why I act a fool, it ain't cool, you see.
Alright, so this is what it looks like. Yes, there are bubbles on it. That's because, one, the wrap is not the best, plus this panel has a lot of imperfections, so it just wraps over it and it's visible, but like, yeah, it's pretty bad. We're done with this side. That's what it looks like. It's pretty good. I'm really not expecting much from it because, one, it's not the best quality wrap. It's from Wish.com. And two, I'm not the best with wrapping, so there's that. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side real quick. I'm not gonna show you that side because it's literally the same thing. I don't know if it'll turn out better, but I don't know, we'll see. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like the video if you like the video. If you don't like the video, you can always like the video. If you don't like it, just dislike it. Tell me how I can improve. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.